In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Jotform for customer support using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Make sure you are on the main dashboard so you can easily access your forms once the new one is created. After that, open Claude AI in your browser in a separate tab or window so you can move between both tools without losing your place. Next, define the goal of your customer support form. Decide what type of support requests you want to manage through this form. This could include general questions, customer complaints, technical problems, or order-related issues. Having a clear goal will help you create a form that is easier for customers to complete and easier for your team to review. Once that is clear, use Claude AI to generate the form directly in Jotform. Enter this exact prompt. Create a customer support form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for customer details, issue type, message, and attachments. Make it clear, organized, and ready to use. Submit the prompt and allow Claude AI to create the form structure for you. After the form has been generated, return to Jotform and locate the new form in your account. Open it and review the layout carefully. Check that the main sections are included and that the form matches the kind of support process you want to offer. If needed, add more support-specific fields. You can include an issue category field, a priority level, an order or reference number, and a file upload field for screenshots or supporting documents. These details can help your team understand each request more quickly. Then arrange the form in a logical order. Place customer information first, followed by issue details, and then attachments. A clean structure makes the form easier to follow and improves the submission experience. Next, customize the form by editing labels, adding short instructions, and marking important fields as required. This helps reduce incomplete submissions and gives users clear guidance as they fill everything out. After that, adjust your form settings. Turn on notifications so your team is alerted when someone submits a request. You can also enable autoresponders or connect the form to other tools you use to manage support cases. Before publishing, preview the form and test the full submission flow. Make sure every field works correctly and that the form is easy to complete from start to finish. Once everything looks good, publish the form and share it. You can copy the direct link or embed it on your website so customers can access it easily. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.